real quick, Sushi Burrito. It's the Zen Burrito. We got rid of Sushi Burrito number 2, and this is its replacement. So there it is, okay? So without further ado, hope you guys are ready to go. Morning. Okay, first big wad of rice on a full sheet of nori. Okay, it doesn't need to be pretty. Next, we have sun-dried tomatoes that I chopped up into strips. Okay, so that'll go down the middle. Asparagus. Roasted red pepper. Cucumber. Avocado. And last, a little bit of spring mix. Okay. Okay, for this part I like to kind of squeeze it onto the bottom. It'll make kind of a paste, and it's going to seal the nori very easily. So move this onto my bamboo. Okay. Burrito's almost done. There you go, man. Thanks. We're gonna transfer it over to this wax paper. This part you guys should already know if you've been doing the burritos. We're gonna twist the sides. Actually, one. Cut it. Voila. Inside the box, it gets this tomato-basil aioli. We have a recipe for this. I can put it in whatever description or caption for this video. Very easy though. Very easy. Shouldn't take much time. This also goes on the Roma roll, which has a lot of the same ingredients as well. So. Bada boom, bada bing. Alright, cool. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or Brian. And yeah, hopefully you guys have fun making this thing. It's not too hard. And try it yourself. There's no fish. It's all vegetarian. So yeah, I find it quite delicious. Give it a shot. Alright, thanks guys. See ya.